Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and like the title of this video says, this video is all about video editing. And specifically in this video, I've had a lot of people asking me what program I generally use to edit my videos. And so I'm finally getting around to sharing that information. And the answer is WeVideo. WeVideo is the online video editing platform that I ended up landing on. I did a lot of research looking at different video editing programs, and a lot of the ones that are out there that are programs you download directly onto your computer have a tendency to use up and need a lot of storage to actually run well on your computer. And when I was hunting around for different programs, that was something that I didn't really want to have to worry about, and didn't want to have to worry about potentially running out of storage space as I had more and more videos accumulating over time. So somebody had suggested to me to check out WeVideo. So I did my due diligence and I checked it out, and it ended up being the video editing platform that I ended up landing on. Now, you might actually have heard about it before because it is a program that really started out being used in schools all across the country, and was something that schools would use within their classrooms on different projects that kids might be working on, etc. Since then, though, it has greatly expanded, and there are a lot of businesses that now use WeVideo for their video editing purposes, whether they are creating YouTube videos or videos to use on their social media marketing platforms, whether it's Facebook or Instagram, especially now with Reels going on with Instagram. That's another area where you can definitely use this platform. And WeVideo is a program that you do all of your editing in your browser, and it's a cloud-based editing program. So everything gets saved in the cloud. You can connect your Dropbox to it if you have a Dropbox account. You can connect all of your social media profiles with your WeVideo account, so that if there are, say, old videos on your business Facebook page, which I've talked about this before, especially all of you florists out there that follow me, this is one way that you can actually do that. You can actually upload from Facebook, your business Facebook page, older videos that you've done as live streams. You can upload them to WeVideo. You can also upload other pictures that you've got on Instagram as well as Facebook, even Pinterest, anywhere else that you've got pictures or media that you might want to use on your computer, etc. And there are a lot of built-in images and graphics, all kinds of things within the WeVideo program that you can also utilize to create new video content. And if you follow me at all on either here on YouTube or on social media, you know I am a big proponent of video for marketing specifically, and specifically for retail florists and floral designers that are trying to get the word out there about what they do, the services they offer, and the products that they have available to sell. So WeVideo is what I landed on, and I just love it. I am on it pretty much every day because I'm creating videos for myself as well as videos for other clients. So I use it a lot. It is a really easy program to learn. It doesn't take a lot. So if you're not real tech savvy, WeVideo is a really handy video editing program to use in that regard. And when it comes to learning how to use it, they have a huge library of tutorial videos on anything and everything that you want or could potentially do with the program for your projects. And in addition to that, like I mentioned, there are a lot of other business people that use WeVideo for their video editing projects. And you know, the power of social media, and we're all in so many different groups on social media these days, especially on Facebook. And lo and behold, there is a group on Facebook of business owners and business people that utilize WeVideo on a regular basis. There's a group specifically of those people. So if you're ever working on things and you get stuck on anything, you can definitely jump into that group and ask questions. And inevitably, there's going to be somebody that has had the same experience and knows the answer for you. And also, there are WeVideo staff members that are also in the group and work as admin for the group. So you've got kind of a double answer there for any question that you might have within the group, because you've got users of WeVideo and you've got people that actually work for WeVideo. And with the power of video for your marketing, and I'm definitely going to share one of the cards up above of one of the last videos that I did talking specifically about video and editing and keyword research, specifically for YouTube and vidIQ, but those are also both tools that you can utilize as you're coming up with a plan for videos that you want to create and do that editing of those programs with WeVideo. It's a real easy program to use. As you already noticed, there are a lot of different transitions that you can add to your videos that are built right into the program. It's basically just a drag and drop kind of video editing program, so it's really easy to get the hang of. It takes a little bit of practice, I will say that, but not a lot. It's very user friendly, and more than anything, I would say it's fast if you make a point of creating videos that don't necessarily need to have a lot of editing. You could potentially make some really great video content for your social media marketing efforts just from still images. Using still images, and you can determine how long or how short they stay on somebody's screen, and you can put really cool transitions in between them. You can do all different kinds of text overlays, and there are backgrounds that you can use and overlays that you can use to get different looks to your images. There's really no end to what you can do with WeVideo. If you are at all interested in checking it out, I do have an affiliate link down below that I'm sharing in the description for this video. You can definitely hit that affiliate link and get all kinds of information, and you can poke around a little bit and get kind of a taste of what WeVideo does and what you can do with it. It's just an all-around really good, solid program with really great support staff. If you ever have a question, and you can shoot them a message, and they are usually right on it and right back to you. So I would highly recommend it. definitely worth checking out. And especially now, we're mid-October now that I am recording this video. Holidays are right around the corner. You could conceivably, once you get comfortable with the program, if you didn't have a big elaborate plan for a video, you could actually turn out several different videos that you could use for your social media marketing and potentially even YouTube within just an hour or two at the most. It doesn't take long at all. It's very fast. You can save the videos to the cloud so you always have access to it. What is great too about the program, since it is cloud-based and you do it all on your browser, is you can work on it anywhere that you happen to be as long as you have access to the internet. You don't even necessarily have to be on your computer. You can do it on your phone. I'm actually filming this from my phone right now, and I have the app for WeVideo on my phone. So once I'm done with this video, I'll upload it to the dashboard direct from my phone, but I wouldn't necessarily have to. I could actually edit the whole thing on my phone if I wanted to. So that's another option. The other great thing about WeVideo is if you want to have several different people working on a project, if the other people working on the project with you also are part of WeVideo, you can have multiple people working on the same project and you don't even have to be in the same city. You could be in completely different places and still be able to work on and create video content together. So that's another option. There's really no end to what you can do with it. So if you get a chance, I would definitely take some time to check it out. It's definitely a program worth putting to work and utilizing it for creating video content for your small business, and specifically a really great tool for retail florists and floral designers. So again, check out that affiliate link down below and check out the last video in the card that I was talking about, specifically YouTube videos and utilizing vidIQ, because if you match it all up together, it's going to be power in your pocket. So check it out. If you like this video and like content like this, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notifications every time I upload a new video, by all means, hit that bell icon down below, and that way you'll get those notifications. Until next time, get out there and do something creative, and maybe do something creative that you can turn into a video to use in your marketing efforts. Until next time, we'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everybody.